like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the... Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on-feet look of the Nike Jordan SB SP Navies, bro. These things are extremely fire, and I know it's a lot of mixed emotions about it because they did drop a ton of stock. But nonetheless, in my opinion, stock numbers do not determine how fire a sneaker is, in my opinion. But I'm gonna give you guys an on-feet look. If you've never watched one of these videos, you're gonna get sizing, comfortability, and overall aesthetic rating of these sneakers. And I hope you guys kind of get a feel for what the shoe actually looks like on feet if you're deciding to purchase these things on the resale market, which it is affordable right now. But before we get off into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Comment down below, man. Hit that like button. It helps with the algorithm. Let me know that you guys are feeling this type of content and that you guys are liking what I'm putting out. And also, it's an encouragement, man, for me to keep going for you guys. But let's go ahead and talk about this sneaker. So as we take a look at this sneaker, it is your typical SB Jordan 4, just like the pine green joints, and the red ones, the friends and family that we will never see in hand on this channel. You feel what I'm saying? But they did take away the hints of the green and they put the blue in that area, as you guys can see right there. They look a lot like the military blue 4s. In my opinion, this is just a hot take. If you have the military blue 4s, I don't think you need this sneaker in your collection, or vice versa. I think you can go with one of the two. But hey, to each his own. It's your money. Do what you need to do. But as you guys can see right here, as we take a look at the left sneaker, we have a predominantly white and kind of like a light gray upper, hints of the navy along the shoe. We have navy here, and then navy right here, and then on the back, subtle amounts, not too much. Inside of the tongue is navy as well. We got the hints of the gray, as you guys can see right here along the toe box of the sneaker. Leather quality ain't too bad on these things, as you guys can see. As I show you, you do have a red Jumpman logo on the tongue where that patch is at. The flight is in blue. All white laces, no other extra laces on these things. On the inner side of the shoe, we have hints of that navy, and then the air unit is red up in that air unit area, as you guys can see. White Cajun along the sides of this sneaker, as you guys can see right there. That is the biggest difference between these and the military blue 4s, is that the Cajun is all white. On the back end, what makes this shoe iconic and what everybody's hype about is going to be that Nike branding with the SB right there. Let me get that close view. As you guys can see, that booty looking real thick and blue, bro. You feel what I'm saying? On the bottom of the sneaker, we do have hints of that gum bottom with a red Nike logo down there. I like the way they did just subtle touches of the gum bottom and not the complete bottom all gum. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like that would have been too much. And then across the front of the toe box, we have hints of that gum as well. White Cajun behind the laces, as you guys can see also on these things. And like I said, white sock liner, but behind the tongue it is going to be that blue, man. But overall, just super clean shoe. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. As far as sizing goes on these things, I'm gonna say go true to size. You could go a half a size up if you want to, but true to size is perfect for these. So whatever you wear in your typically wear in your Jordan 4s, especially since they dropped the pine green joints with this new cut, it is safe to go with the same exact thing on this one. But if you have never owned a pair, I'm gonna say true to size or half a size up would be suffice for these. And then as far as comfortability on these things, they are super comfortable, bro. Like, I'm gonna say at least a 8 out of 10, and that's not normal for me to give an 8 out of 10 on a Jordan. But yeah, these are extremely comfortable. Extra padding along the sock liner, and then also extra support on the bottom because of the SB technology that they did put off into it. So yes, super comfortable when it comes to comfortability in the shoe. And then overall aesthetically, man, you guys can see them, they don't look bad at all, man. Military blue is an iconic sneaker. This one looks a lot like it. And if they didn't drop as many stock as they did of these things, these shoes would definitely be overpriced on the resale market. But that's not the case. They are affordable. I'm gonna say go grab them. Super clean sneaker in my opinion. Overall aesthetically, I'm gonna give these shoes a 8 out of 10. I really like them. Subtle hints. You can wear them with a lot of different things. They're comfortable. It's a Jordan 4. It's an iconic silhouette, so you can't go wrong. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions. The box, it is what it is. This is what the box look like, as you guys can see. I do have a video where I picked them up, so if you want to see more details in the box, make sure you check that out. But that's all I got for you guys. Comment down below and let me know what's your thoughts and opinions about the Nike Jordan 4 SB navies. That is it for you guys. I appreciate it. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for